Beautiful Bedford stone home on Carnation Drive. Heat and air only 4 years old, water heater is 5 years old, roof is 8 years old. Replacement windows. Maintenance-free trim. Living room, kitchen, and family room flow together. Hardwood under carpet. Family room addition on the back with French doors to the backyard. Main floor has 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, living room, kitchen, and family room. The basement has a finished castle room and lots of potential. Could use paint, carpet, and general repairs, but has great bones, good for sweat equity, flip, or investment. Backyard has a concrete pad with basketball court. Could be a lot of fun or turn it into a large patio/backyard paradise. Quiet street. Flexible financing plans available. Price to sell